Hello, Thrivers. Welcome back to Thriving with Richard Bass. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, commonly known as ADHD, affects millions of people worldwide. While medication and therapy are common treatments, could something as simple as coffee offer relief? Let's delve into the science behind coffee and ADHD, explore its potential benefits, and share some delicious coffee recipes suitable for different ages. Studies have shown that caffeine found in coffee can positively impact individuals with ADHD by increasing focus, attention, and alertness. Caffeine stimulates the release of dopamine and norepinephrine in the brain, neurotransmitters responsible for regulating mood, attention, and focus. But when it comes to incorporating coffee into daily routines, it's essential to be mindful, especially for children and adolescents. For children aged 12 and above, a light coffee with low caffeine content can be safely introduced. Cold brew coffee is smooth and refreshing, perfect for staying focused during study sessions. As we grow older, stronger coffee varieties like espresso can provide a quick boost of energy and concentration. For adults managing ADHD symptoms, incorporating coffee into their daily routine can help enhance productivity and focus. Even in later stages of life, coffee can be a delightful companion, offering mental clarity and alertness. Now let's explore some delightful coffee recipes suitable for individuals of all ages. First, a classic latte with steamed milk and espresso is a comforting choice for any time of day. For parents out there, a coffee smoothie with banana and almond milk is not only delicious but also nutritious for growing kids. Also, an iced coffee infused with flavors like vanilla or caramel is perfect for a refreshing pick-me-up during hot summer days. And finally, a simple cup of black coffee paired with homemade cookies is a cherished tradition that never gets old. So in conclusion, while coffee may not be a cure for ADHD, it can certainly offer benefits in managing symptoms and enhancing daily functioning across various age groups. Remember to consult with healthcare professionals to determine the best approach for incorporating coffee into your or your loved one's routines. If you are interested in learning more about neurodiversity, subscribe and stay tuned.